How to accept Slack invitation. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to accept Slack invitation. So accepting Slack invitation is quite a simple process. You don't have to do much. All you have to do is just ask the person who is inviting you to their Slack account to give you an account access while sending you an invite. And as soon as they send you an invite, you will receive this particular email address which will say that someone has invited you to join Slack, and you will be able to see this tab called join Slack. You just simply have to click on it, and then you have to put your name. So if you are accepting invitation, you just simply have to enter your name over here, and after entering your name, just simply click on continue, and there you go. Now you have joined this particular Slack group. So yeah, this is how simple it is to accept Slack invitation. So that's how you will be able to accept Slack invitation. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.